So I just want to announce real quick that the merch is finally dropping. I have 40 tees dropping on October 15th. And if you are part of the YouTube membership where you see the little join button, if you remember that, you get early access, and I will allow anybody on there to just buy them all the way up until Friday, and then Friday obviously they'll just be on the site. So if you guys go crazy on this drop, I will drop another 50. One person will get a pair of shorts from the last drop because I did have an extra sample pair. Make sure to comment your shirt and short size. So what we got on the agenda for today is I got to drop off some orders for the site. There's an absolute dime in there. So not in this video, but next video, me and Mason will be installing the stage 2 fuel pump, whatever the fuck bucket list stage. I don't know anything about it yet. I just bought it because I know you need it for the 85, because later this weekend, me and Mason are going to go to a Virginia track and we're going to run our cars there on an 1/8 mile. I actually think I'm going to install this little oil filter cap right now just because I'm excited. Anyone else's motor just make the most random noises sometimes? Nope, just mine. All right, cool. So as most of you guys know, that is where the OEM filter cap is. And here's our new little silver one. Let me go ahead and pull this OEM cap off.
Okay, yep, that was Annie just calling to let you know your order is ready. It'll be good.
All right, great. Thank you very much. All right, so as y'all just saw, I just got a call from the t-shirt company who was doing my tees. And they're actually a day early, so now I'm all excited. I'm gonna go pick them up. The tees are out! She's pumped. The funniest shit just happened, and I should have recorded it, but it would have been super awkward. This old lady pulls up next to me at the light. She just rolls her window down. She goes, "You are so handsome. You want a sugar mama?" I said, "Hell yeah." And then the light turned green and I fucking sped off, but shout out my sugar mama. All right, boys. Finally, the time has come. These shirts, after saying it in like the last 5 videos that they're coming out, they are here. I got all 50 of them right here. Super pumped on them. They look so sick, and I'm so glad that this is the color I went with. And the material is way comfier than I thought. I didn't even feel the shirts before I even bought them. Did pay a lot for these, I'm not gonna lie, because I wanted the quality to be super good. Clear the code and hit the road, baby. The life of a BMW owner. I thought that little slogan was pretty fire. These will be dropping on October 15th, so make sure to go on the website and cop them when they drop. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this thing on. Alright, gray on gray looks whack, but this thing feels fire. Dude, this thing is sick. I'm not even saying that, just say it. This thing is super comfy. Alright, we got a little bit distracted on what we were doing, but here's the new oil filter cap right there from Burger Motorsport. These will be available on Shop Webbies as well here shortly. All you gotta do is literally just take this off. So this little inside on the OEM one's gotta come off too. Just gonna grab it like a man, just break it off. Oh, that worked. Alright, so this is the middle piece we needed, and this is junk now. New filter cap, old thingy. Just press it on there. Alright, then you can get yourself a nice little 19 and get it all snugged up. Looks so much better. Definitely happy I went with silver, not black. Oh my god, that's so hot already. Mint! Boys, it's the next day. We got a little predicament that we're in. You've never gotten gas? It's been like that for fucking 2 days.
Respect it!
And we're gonna have 2 335s broken here today. But when I was at work on the way to lunch,
it blew up his 335.
It's fucked. And my car's blown up into pieces. But on the way to Wawa, I noticed some smoke, but there was a little bit of rain on the ground, and let's see what he has to say about it. Hey man, my 335. Anyways, I noticed a bunch of smoke. Not a lot of smoke, just a little bit, so I thought it was me kicking up the rain. But then on the way back, it was smoking a lot. But then when I pull in, then on the way back, I noticed some more smoke, and then when I pulled in, it's literally smoking all over. Like, everything under my hood is smoking. So I got there, popped the hood, and there's oil everywhere. Well, I think it's fucked, I'm not gonna lie. We're going back to work right now. It could be blown.
Oh, what?
Alright. We're at a broken light right now.
Like a big broken light.
Like, we've been here for 35 minutes. Even he's going. That's the 3rd car to get out of the way. This bitch does not turn green right now.
Oh my god, it did.
Oh, it didn't.
It did.
It's broken.
What the fuck is that? That's fucking bullshit, yo. Move this shit, motherfucker.
Let us over. Stop. Hey, hold on. Wait. Hey, please let us out.
I miss work so much, I'm back!
There she is, total. Who wants her? 2,500. You have no oil either. I think I probably have more than you.
You know that little bar isn't like our full
Nah.
Give me.
Hey, that's mine. I need that. I have none. Yo! Look at this. Oil on the vents, and it's literally crying oil from my headlights. Yeah, dude. She's fucked. There's literally oil everywhere. Even up here.
I think there's a hole in the block.
You think there's a hole in the block?
Personally, yes.
I mean, I'm really hoping this.
Oh my god.
Dude, what?
No.
What? Don't do that.
You just got so much fucking oil.
It's literally everywhere. Well, no, look, my envision here is just as long as all the oil's in the engine bay, we're good. I have 7 quarts of oil just in my engine bay. You think it's blown for real? I mean, it was smoking like sub-serious. But the only thing I did was, y'all saw a couple minutes ago, I put this on. Let's try that. Pull her off.
This fucking dumbass right here. Do you see it?
Oh, there's no seal on it.
No shit.
Yeah, I didn't realize you probably need a seal, huh? Alright, buddy. This is turned into a Bang Bros episode. Dude, there's a screwdriver in it the whole time. Don't buy your Burger Motorsport filter cap.
No, just don't be a dummy.
Shop Webby's get it, please. I really hope that this is the only problem. Everyone at our work came outside to look at this piece of shit.
Oh yeah, no, they all hate on BMWs. So when shit like this happens, they love it. Nobody in can beat us in a race. That's all I gotta say.
So if anyone from watching this, except for Frankie, I love you.
Now Frankie a bitch too. Frankie, fuck you. Chris, fuck you.
I hope this is it. But the shitty thing is, we don't know how much oil to put back in. All right, so I think we're just gonna send it home. Gonna clean up the engine bay a little bit. Yo, just chill out. My $1 million hood. This is all I got going for me now that I have a blown motor. This motherfucker just sprayed the whole can in my hood. Do not. Motherfucker. I really don't know how much. You think we should just pour it and then read it?
Almost 2 quarts.
Can we just start it and just read it?
All right, now try.
I guess we're just gonna have to wait till it reads oil. It's not coming out of there.
BMW belt slippage not today.
Hey, look at a guy right there. Yeah, now you can have my oil. I think all it was just that cat was pouring out, but I'm still making the title It Blew Up, so sorry about that. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Everyone can put Wyatt in the comments, but still click like on the video.
I roll.
Deuces. Let's pray to Jesus Christ that we run home smoothly. I'm a little nervous about the oil on the belt. That's about it though. She's holding oil, boys. I really do think that we got lucky today, and then that was the only problem. Ladies and gentlemen, when putting on your filter cap, put the seal on. Highly recommend it. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I highly recommend putting the seal on. Yes, I'm an idiot, and I should have known that, but you know, I didn't have much sleep in me yesterday, so that's my excuse. I think she's good, buddy. I'm hoping that we're gonna be all straight this entire ride. This will be the true test on if she's good. I keep checking the oil. I really gotta change the oil. I haven't done that yet. And we're missing some. Well, looks like we're stopping at Advanced Auto Parts and we're gonna throw in some oil. And we're back off with some oil, baby. My boost gauge is so messed up. Playing it cool. How's it going, buddy? I hope we can find us a little race on this road right here. I'm gonna just start racing anybody. Captain, see ya! Put on the hazards. Captain. Ready? I'll race this guy too. I give him a head start too. Captain. Alright, boys, we got a little surprise call from the lads.
We're the lads. Oh yeah, we are.
What we doing? What are we doing?
Sketch.
So the funniest shit is I literally have the tool sit in my house, but we're hitting it with flathead.
Yep, it happens.
Did you all look up anything on how to do this?
Nope.
Alright, we're fucking sanding her. Travis has got his tech uniform on, which gives him superpowers.
Yeah, which I'm suing if this should break.
We need the tool.
You want me to run home and get the tool?
If you feel like doing all that. He said if we couldn't get it off tonight, we weren't gonna fuck with it, and I was just gonna do it tomorrow.
Nah, fuck it. We're doing it tonight.
Yeah, we're
halfway
already.
into it. Nah,
once
man.
the cushion comes out, it's game.
Yeah.
It needs to get done.
This is how he works, son.
See the shirt, Travis?
Bitch is sweet.
The bitch is sweet.
Y'all better go buy him up. He better have all of his. Oh shit. My bad God, drawing blank here. All of his stock needs to be gone in 2 days.
Yes. If you buy him right away, Travis will give you a kiss.
If it's a dude, I'm not fucking kissing him.
He has 100% dude viewers. So you're
What I'm not fucking doing.
We'll get him too.
I don't do it like that. Sorry, guys.
So I have the tool for the fuel pump sent to my house, so I'm actually just gonna run home and go get that real quick. All right, we're balls deep in the install right now. How's it going?
It's coming out. It's about to come out. Be ready for it. Look.
I do see an iPhone 4 laying in the gas tank right now.
Do you?
And she's out, buddy.
All right, man. Get out.
Oh, you weren't playing. This is about all the gas he has left in his car. He does not fill this car up.
I will never fill this car up.
The how-to video on this shit is when I'll do mine, so I'm not gonna film too much of his. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're good. All right, give him a quick breakdown. What we had to do.
I don't fucking know.
We watched Steve on YouTube and he showed us.
Man, get this shit out of my face.
Last 4 bolts going in. We're gonna send her to Wyatt to get some gas, because Lord knows Mason fucking needs
I
some.
don't need gas.
We're going on full faith right here.
Yeah,
full
no,
send.
it's gonna work. I'm not worried about it.
Everyone in the comment section, drop a prayer emoji. She started!
Yeah, this is...
It's like $55 to fill up this thing now.
Hey, man, we got a big problem. It's fucking leaking gas, yo.
Are you being 100%?
I swear to God.
Oh, I see that. Dog, what the fuck?
Yeah, maybe.
The floater's fucked up?
We gotta move it. Come on.
We talked too soon about how
Look,
easy it was.
it's fucked up.
Oh, yeah.
And it's done leaking. No, it's still leaking.
Is it? It definitely is fucked up because it's only reading half a tank.
How could we fuck anything up like that?
I literally don't know. But why is it reading half on the fucking thing when you threw $45?
So that's an overflow?
All right, so it's dry now. Makes 0 sense. I'm gonna try to fix it
Not today.
tomorrow or the next day. It's probably something easy.
Because really, in all reality, like nothing was out of place.
Most reliable thing. You don't need fuel or oil, as we proved in this whole video.
boy.
Selling it. All right, buddy. All right, quickest outro ever. So it's a couple days after I filmed. So Mason's car is fine now. It just kind of all figured itself out. I don't know how, but it did. Here's all the teas dropping October 15th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to hop on the site and get them when they drop. Next video is me, Mason, and Travis go down to Colonial Beach Raceway. And we run down there. And then I have problems, which is terrible. Well, the main thing I noticed was smoke was coming out the left side of my hood. Like, gotta love it. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Follow me on Instagram, so I'll catch you on the flip.
All my brags turn to facts, all my hundreds turn to racks, all my ladies turn to snacks. SUVs black on SUVs black on black. I was fucking up, but now I'm back on track. That's a fact.